Let's head to the Hollywood Hills. We're about to get a peek behind the curtain of this incredible private estate.
Hello.
Hey there, how are you?
Great to see you.
Likewise.
Thank you for meeting me here because I am so excited to see inside this gorgeous home.
Well, I'm excited to show you. It's an amazing home.
Okay, tell me, first of all, where are we?
We're actually in the Sunset Strip of the Hollywood Hills. This particular area, the amazing thing about it is we're behind gates. So this is like one of the only gated communities in the Hollywood Hills.
You know this show is behind the gates.
That's right, and we got a big gate in front of us here.
And what is it that's so hot about this Sunset Strip, Hollywood Hills area?
Well, we're close enough to the action, and on top of that, you have the most amazing views up here.
I'm noticing, even just peeking over your shoulder, there's an amazing view we're about to see. No peeking.
It hits you as soon as you walk in the house. It's about 5,600 square feet, a little bit more than that.
I'm ready to see it. Want to take me inside?
Absolutely, let's go.
Okay, that is what I call a view.
Expansive views.
I feel like I'm in a plane right now.
Jetliner views.
There's where the name comes from, Jetliner Views. Tell me what else I'm looking at. This is gorgeous.
So basically when you first get in, you sit down and it's like a painting. So you just sit here and enjoy the views. Just to the right of us there would be the kitchen and the dining room.
Beautiful.
The entire home is wired for sound, including the theater we're gonna go to later.
I really love these light wood floors and that floating glass staircase. It does make it feel really bright and airy in here.
Absolutely. You know, the one thing about modern homes is that they tend to feel cold. So the designers and builders here said, you know what, we want to encapsulate both modern feel with warmth.
It's bright and airy and yet doesn't feel cold and ostentatious. Of course, the fireplace helps too.
Yeah, normally we have that on, but today it's a little warm, so.
It is perfect weather in Southern California, as always.
As always.
Oh, Angel, I like this kitchen. Tell me about this room.
So where we're standing is actually where the center island of the kitchen is. So as you can see, as you look straight out, you have full views of the entire city. So can you imagine chopping onions or vegetables and getting to enjoy this?
Yes, I'd cut my finger because I'd be staring at that view.
Absolutely.
It really is amazing because I'm looking at walls of sheer glass. Like there's nothing obstructing my view. So it almost does feel like I'm flying as I'm in here.
You're floating.
You have double ovens here, super gourmet appliances, the Sub-Zero fridge.
Oak cabinets, as you can see, they add to the warmth of the room. They offset with the white and the black counters. And then we have the stainless steel backsplash, so it kind of ties it all in together.
And there's plenty of room to run around. I mean, we could entertain 50 people just in this kitchen and seating area. Let's invite some friends over.
Let's do it. Got about an hour to go.
We have about an hour to go. Again, amazing views.
Right?
I love this. Okay, well, I don't know that I would ever leave this master suite. Tell me about this room.
So again, we utilize the wood along with the modern accents. In this particular room, we have the Venetian plastered wall along with the Venetian fireplace.
Yeah, really nice touch. I love the glass in the fireplace as well. It gives that magic sparkle. And there's a lot of magic sparkle in the bath suite too.
So just for starters, we have a dual sink, makeup counter, about a 12-person shower.
I could see myself sitting in that soaking tub because the soaking tub looks at that incredible view as well. We're right here in the heart of the Hollywood Hills, and yet we feel so secluded up here as well. And yet, with all this privacy, still comes this spectacular view, including I can see below to what looks like a fabulous pool and spa. Now I know I have arrived in the Hollywood Hills. This is gorgeous out here. Tell me what I'm looking at.
Full-on view of the entire LA basin here. I mean, you're basically the king of the world up here.
You are, and you have your own little world up here. I love that we have these frameless glass railings all around us, so that view is completely unobstructed.
When you're actually sitting in the spa, you have this illusion of just being on top of the world here.
Yeah, I see that infinity edge that sort of cascades over. So when I'm sitting there soaking with my glass of wine, it does look like I'm just floating in water above the world.
You are.
So we have a bar, we have a movie theater, we have a pool and a spa, we have breathtaking views. And how large is this house?
We're at about 5,660 square feet. We got 4 bedrooms and 6 baths.
And we are here above Sunset Plaza in the Hollywood Hills. How much will this cost me?
Only 6.5 million.
Oh, well, I'll get my checkbook right now.
Well, you can also rent it. We're offering it for rent for $35,000 a month.
This house is really fantastic. Angel, thank you so much for this fabulous tour.